Hello guys, this is Gingineer. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel. So ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon guys is all about syllogism. So under ito guys, sa analytical ability and pag sinabing syllogism, given ka ng statements with keywords na rin yan, either all, no, or some, yung mga keywords natin, and kailangan mong hanapin sa choices yung tamang conclusion. Okay? So sagutan natin for question number 1. May dalawa tayo ditong statement. All sculptors are artists. No artist is careless. So, ang pinakamagandang gawin dito kapag syllogism, mag-drawing ng Venn diagram. Okay? So, sa all, explain ko muna guys before tayo magsagot, no? Kapag all guys, ang keyword, ang Venn diagram niyan ganito. Dalawang bilog na nasakop yung isa. Okay? Yan. So, all yung keyword dyan. Kapag sum naman, ang keyword. So, ganito naman yung Venn diagram niya. May mag-overlap na part. Therefore, itong gitna dito, yung nag-overlap na part, ibig sabihin kung A ito and B yung kabila, sum A are B. Okay? So, yung nasa gitna, A na, B pa. Okay? And for no naman, halimbawa, tulad dito, no artist is careless. Ang Venn diagram dyan is kailangan magkahiwalay yung dalawang bilog. Kasi nga, no. Okay? Yan. So, sagutan natin to guys using Venn diagram. First statement, all sculptors are artists. So, kung andito si sculptor, since all yung keyword natin, masasakop lahat, artist. Okay? Yan yung Venn diagram ng first statement natin. So, sagutan lang rin natin or i-drawing lang din natin yung pangalawang statement. No artist is careless. Nasaan si artist? Andito, yung malaking bilog. Since no yung keyword, ibig sabihin kailangan hindi magdikit yung isa pang bilog. So, andito na si careless. Okay? No artist is careless. Okay, so based sa drawing natin na Venn diagram, hanapin natin sa choices kung saan ba dyan yung tamang conclusion. Okay? So, sa choice A, no sculptor is careless. Nasaan si sculptor? Andito. Nasaan si careless? Andito. Magkalayo sila, ibig sabihin, no nga yung keyword. So, tama itong no na keyword. Kasi kapag ni-redraw natin yan, magkalayo yan. Andito si sculptor, andito naman si careless. So, tama nga guys yung choice A natin. Okay, so the answer is letter A. Number 2, some hikers are photographers. So, gawan lang natin guys ng Venn diagram. Andito si hikers. Since some yung keyword, kailangan nating mag-overlap dyan. And yan naman yung bilog ng photographers. So, itong gitna guys, yung nag-overlap na part, sila yung hiker na photographer pa. Okay? So, all photographers carry cameras. Ito yung bilog ni photographers. All yung keyword, ibig sabihin masasakop lahat ito. Ayan. Carry cameras or let's say C. So, ito guys, yung Venn diagram ng dalawang statement natin. So, hanapin natin sa choices kung saan dyan yung tamang conclusion. A, some hikers carry cameras. Some hikers carry cameras. Tama ba guys? Kapag niredraw natin yan, andito si hiker, andito si carry cameras. Diba? So, may nag-overlap na part, ibig sabihin ang keyword niyan dapat ay some. Tama ba guys na ito yung keyword niya? Ayan. So, tama. Some hikers carry cameras. So, letter A ulit. Okay, next. All whales are mammals. So, kung andito si whales, all yung keyword, masasakop lahat yan ni mammals. No mammal is cold-blooded. So, kung andito si mammal, no yung keyword, ibig sabihin kailangan magkalayo yung bilog ng cold-blooded. Dapat malayo siya or hindi siya didikit kay mammal. Okay? So, ito na guys yung ating nagawang Venn diagram sa ating dalawang statement. So, hanapin lang natin sa choices kung anong tamang conclusion. A, no whale is cold-blooded. Tama ba? Andito si whale, andito si cold-blooded. Kapag niredraw yan, whale, cold-blooded. No whale is cold-blooded. Tama ba? Yes, tama. Kasi nga magkalayo sila. So, tama yung no na keyword natin. Okay? So, the answer is letter A. Next, all violins are musical instruments. All violins, kung dito si violins, all yung keyword, sasakupin natin lahat yan. musical instrument, or let's say I na lang for instrument. And sa second statement naman, all musical instruments produce sound. Kung andito yung malaking bilog siya yung bilog ni musical instrument, 'di ba? Since all yung keyword, kailangan nating bilogan lahat 'yan or sakupin lahat. Okay? And ito naman na yung bilog ni produce sound, or let's say S na lang for sound. So ito guys, yung Venn diagram natin, mapapansin nyo, nasakop silang lahat, 'di ba? Kasi nga all yung mga keywords natin. Okay? Yan. So which of the following must be true? So A, all violins produce sound. Nasaan si violin? Andito. So i-redraw lang natin. Violin andito. Nasaan si sound? Produce sound, yung pinakamalaking bilog. So still guys, nasakop niya si violin. So kapag mga ganitong Venn diagram, anong keyword natin? That is all. Okay? So tama yung choice A natin. So letter A. Next, some diplomats are linguists. All linguists know at least 2 languages. Okay, so some diplomats, gawan lang natin guys ng Venn diagram. Diplomats, linguists. Yan. So, yan guys yung ating first statement. Yan yung Venn diagram niya. For the second statement naman, all linguists know at least 2 languages. Andito si linguist. So, all yung keyword, kailangan nating sakupin yan lahat. And that is at least 2 languages, no? Know at least 2 languages, or let's say K na lang for know, di ba? So yan na yung ano natin guys, yung Venn diagram natin for the two statements. So which of the following must be true? Okay? So A, some diplomats know at least 2 languages. Some diplomats know at least 2 languages. Ayun, so kapag nire-draw kasi natin yan guys, so may nag-overlap na part, 'di ba? Know 2 languages. Ganyan yung drawing niya or yung Venn diagram niya. So still guys, tama si choice A. Ayan. So since puro choice A yung mga sagot natin, sige explain natin guys yung ibang choices para maniwala kayo na si choice A talaga. So sa choice B, all diplomats know at least 2 languages. All ba yung keyword niyan guys? Hindi, 'di ba? Kasi ang Venn diagram ng all dapat nasasakop lahat. So X itong si choice B. Si choice C naman, no linguist is a diplomat. Still mali guys kasi kinokontra niya yung first statement kasi nga some diplomats are linguists. Therefore, some linguists are diplomats, 'di ba? So D naman, everyone who knows 2 languages is a linguist. So, wala naman siyang sinabing ganun, di ba? So, still, X yan kasi assumption yan. Okay? So, letter A talaga yung tamang sagot natin. Question number 6. All doctors are educated. Gawan natin ng Venn diagram. Andito si doctor. So, all yung keyword. So, nasakop lahat. Educated. Next. All educated people are respected. So, andito yung bilog na educated. Sasakupin lang natin lahat yan kasi nga all yung keyword. So, respected, gawin na lang natin siyang are. Okay, and last, some respected people are researchers. Andito guys, yung respected people, no? Let's say RP na lang ito. Ayan. So, since some yung keyword, kailangan may mag-overlap na part. Okay? So, let's say andito lang siya. Kasi wala namang ibang sinabi na condition or connection dito sa dalawa. So, ito lang yung sasakupin lang natin. Okay? Or may mag-overlap lang na part sa kanila. Okay? And dito naman is yung researchers. So, let's say R ito. Yan. So, yan na guys. Yung Venn diagram ng ating 3 statements. Ngayon, which of the following must be true? So, hanapin natin guys sa choices. Isa-isayin natin guys ha. A, all doctors are respected. Nasaan si doctor? Andito. Andito si respected. All yung keyword, mali. Kasi nga malayo siya. Hindi nga natin guarantee kung may connection ba yung doctor tsaka si respected. Okay? Andito si respected pala. Okay, so mali tayo. Kala ko si respected to. Researchers pala to. Researchers. Ayan. So, namali tayo. So, tama guys, no? Andito si doctor. Andito si respected. Ayan. So, RP. So, tama pala guys si choice A natin. Ayan. So, sa choice B naman, some doctors are researchers. Ayun. So, ito guys, yung researchers, ito yung mali. Hindi kasi guaranteed. Andito si doctor, andito si researcher. Hindi guaranteed na merong doctor na researcher. Okay? So kapag hindi guaranteed, mali yan. And C, all researchers are doctors. All researchers are doctors. So baliktad. Okay? So kapag all ang keyword, cannot be reversed. Tandaan natin yan ha. Cannot be reversed. Ang nare-reverse lang guys, yung no na keyword. And yung some, hindi naman lahat. Okay? May certain condition din. So letter C ay mali. And D, some educated people are not respected. Educated people andito sa gitnang bilog. Respected andito. So mali kasi kino-contradict niya yung pangalawang statement. Kasi nga all na nga eh. Bakit mo pa sasabihin na some, di ba? So X yan. So choice A guys yung tamang sagot. Okay, so question number 7. All laptops are electronic devices. Kung andito si laptop guys, all yung keyword, masasakop lahat yan ni electronic devices or let's say ED. Okay? Next, all electronic devices require electricity. Kung andito si electronic devices, all yung keyword, sakop lahat niyan. Require electricity or RE na lang. Okay? And third statement, some devices requiring electricity are portable. Andito, yung malaking bilog, yun yung requiring electricity. So kapag some yung keyword, sasakop lang tayo dyan ng konti, di ba? Hindi natin isasama yon kasi nga wala naman siyang nabanggit na connection sa dalawa. So dito lang tayo mag-focus sa kung anong sinabi. Dito sa requiring electricity. Okay, so are portable. So ibig sabihin P yan. Okay? So ito guys, yung ating Venn diagram sa tatlong statement natin. So which of the following must be true? Hanapin natin guys sa choices. A, all laptops require electricity. Laptops require electricity. Tama ba? Tama, di ba? Kasi nasakop lahat. Require electricity. Ayan, yan yung Venn diagram natin kapag ni-redraw natin. All laptops require electricity. So tama si choice A. Okay, sabi naman kasi some laptops are portable. Wala naman kasing binanggit na connection si laptop tsaka si portable. So hindi guaranteed. Okay? So X yan. And C naman, all portable devices are laptops. All portable devices are laptop. Still mali rin guys. Wala rin siyang binanggit na connection ni laptop tsaka ni portable devices. So still X yan. And D, no laptop requires electricity. So mali yan. Kasi nga, based sa Venn diagram natin, lahat ng laptop ay requires electricity. So letter A yung sagot natin. Next, all bicycles are vehicles. Bicycles, all yung keyword, masasakop lahat. No vehicle is edible. Kung andito si vehicle, no yung keyword, ibig sabihin kailangan malayo si edible. Hindi sila dapat magkatabi or magkadikit, di ba? Next, some toys are bicycles. Nasaan si toys dito? Some toys, wala akong makitang toys dito sa mga naunang Venn diagram natin. Pero since nabanggit si bicycle, andito si bicycle, therefore, some yung keyword. So, maglalagay lang din tayo dito, sasakop lang din tayo ng konti para kay toys. Okay. So yan guys, yung Venn diagram natin for our 3 statement. Ngayon, hahanapin natin guys yung tamang conclusion sa choices natin. So choice A, some toys are edible. Some toys are edible, malayo sila, di ba? So X na yan. B, no bicycle is edible. Tama ba? No bicycle is edible. So malayo sila, di ba? Andito si bicycle, andito si edible. Therefore guys, no yung keyword, tama siya. So letter B yung sagot natin. And for choice C naman, all toys are vehicles. Andito si toys, andito si vehicles. So, mali. And these some vehicles are edible. So, mali yan kasi kinocontradict niya yung choice B natin or yung statement 2 natin na no vehicles is edible. So, letter B nga yung tamang sagot natin. Question number 9. All mountains are landforms. Kung andito si mountain, all yung keyword, masasakop lahat yan ni landform. Second statement, no landform is artificial. Kung andito yung bilog ni landform, dapat malayo yung artificial kasi nga no yung keyword. Third statement, some mountains are snow covered. Kung andito si mountain, some yung keyword, ibig sabihin may mag-overlap dyan. Andito naman si snow covered or let's say SC. Okay, so yan na guys yung ating Venn diagram sa tatlong statement natin. So, which of the following must be true? A. Some artificial things are mountains. Nasaan ba si artificial? Andito. Andito si mountains. So, mali. Kasi nga, kapag sinabing some, dapat may mag-overlap. Based kasi sa Venn diagram na nagawa natin, si mountain malayo kay artificial. Therefore, X ito. B. No mountain is artificial. Nasaan si mountain? Andito. Nasaan si artificial? Andito. Malayo ba? Malayo sila. Diba? Kasi kapag niredraw natin yan, andito si mountain, andito si artificial. Therefore, no yung keyword. So, tama guys si choice B. How about choice C? All snow-covered things are mountains. Andito si snow-covered, andito si mountains. Mali, di ba? So, kinokontradict niya itong si statement 3 natin. Kasi nga some yung keyword. Bakit mo sasabihin all? So, X to. And choice D naman, some landforms are artificials. Some landforms are artificial. So, still mali kasi kinokontradict niya yung statement 2 natin na no landform is artificial. So, choice B yung tamang sagot. Question number 10. All doctors are graduates. So, gawan lang ulit natin guys ng Venn diagram para ma-visualize natin ng mabuti. So, all doctors, kung andito si doctors, andito naman si graduates. So, second statement, all graduates are educated. Kung andito si graduate, masasakop lang ulit lahat yan. Kasi nga, all yung keyword natin. So, educated or let's say E. Next, no educated person is illiterate. Yung educated person guys, yung malaking bilog, 'di ba? So since no yung keyword, kailangan hindi sila magkadikit ni illiterate. And last statement, some doctors are surgeons. Ito na guys yung medyo critical part dito. So since some yung keyword and andito naman si doctor, yung maliit diyan, so hindi natin guarantee kung saan natin ipipwesto yung bilog natin. So pwede kasing andito siya, pwede kasing andito lang, pero let's just say, yung maliit na bilog yung gagamitin natin. Kasi doctor lang naman yung sinabi niya. Sa iba naman, hindi naman niya binanggit yung relationship nila. Okay? So let's say yung doctor, yan lang yung lagyan natin or dyan lang mag-overlap itong si surgeon. Yan. So yan na guys yung ating Venn diagram sa ating apat na statements. So hanapin natin sa choices guys yung tamang sagot. Some surgeons are educated. Some surgeons are educated. Ito na guys yung sinasabi ko kanina na critical part dito sa pang-apat na statement, no? Kung saan natin ilipipesto yung Venn diagram ng surgeon. Kasi kapag pinesto mo dito kanina yung surgeon, tama na si choice A, 'di ba? Pero kailangan nating i-consider na meron pang ibang possibility, which is yun nga nasa loob si surgeon, no? So kapag nasa loob kasi si surgeon, nabilugan lahat yan ni educated, 'di ba? So kapag ni-redraw natin yan, andito si surgeon, andito si educated. So hindi some dapat yung keyword niyan, dapat all, 'di ba? So kaya hindi guaranteed guys, kapag hindi guaranteed mali yan. So letter A, X. Okay? So sa choice B naman, all surgeons are doctors. All surgeons are doctors, mali kasi kino-contradict niya yung pang-apat na statement natin, which is some doctors are surgeons. Si no doctor is illiterate. Ito yung sure natin guys. Kasi nga, andito si doctor, andito si illiterate. Malayo sila, di ba? No doctor is illiterate. Ganyan guys yung Venn diagram niya kapag ni-redraw natin. Okay? So sure tayo dyan, kaya yan yung sagot natin. Yan. So letter D naman, some graduates are surgeons. Andito si graduates, andito si surgeons. So still, hindi guaranteed. So kapag hindi guaranteed guys, mali yan. Ayun, so ganun lang guys mag-solve or magsagot ng syllogism, no? So sana natuto kayo gumawa ng Venn diagram and sana naintindihan niyo yung mga explanation natin. So yun lang naman guys, huwag kayong malilito kapag merong syllogism question kasi madali lang siya. Kailangan nyo lang i-drawing para ma-visualize nyo. Okay? So yun lang guys for today's video. So salamat sa panonood and kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.